What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to throw a hook on the bag, okay? So the hook on the bag is going to look a little bit different to the way we practiced in previous videos where we just throw on the technique by ourselves in the mirror or when we're shadow boxing. Okay, so that's going to look a little bit different to the way we throw it on the bag, just because the bag is going to give us a more realistic sense of range and distance. Okay, so let's say, for instance, at the end of our jab, if we're throwing a hook from here, the hook's going to look a little bit different. My arm's going to be extended a little bit further. Okay, so the way I shift my body is going to be a little bit different to the way if it was here with in range of like my short straight punches. Okay, so my hook here is going to look more like the way we practiced in the technique videos. So from here in mid-range, it's going to look a little bit closer to what we practice. If we get into close range, the hook gets a little bit tighter. Okay, remember guys, the hook is designed to throw around the glove to hit the chin. So if we're out here, and if let's say that's my target here, if I throw a hook here, I'm basically just going to hit the gloves, right? So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I hit the side of the bag to ensure that I'm getting around the glove to the face. Okay, so once we start to get happy, or once we start to get an idea of our range and our distance, then we're going to start thinking about the actual footwork and the technique to generate that force. Okay, so generally, once again, I'm going to point my toes in the direction of where I'm trying to generate the force. Okay, so let's go into mid-range from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to generate on my lead hook, I'm going to generate the force by putting my toes in that direction and get that snap in my hip. So I'm rotating on my torso, squeezing my glutes, squeezing my core, and I'm generating that force through. Once I'm happy with my balance and where I'm shifting my weight, I can let that swinging arm come through. Same thing with my rear hook. Staying nice and balanced throughout the shot and resetting in my fight stance. If I'm happy there, I can try and experiment a little bit out here, see what I need to do. How do I generate force? Can I generate enough force, or do I need to take a little step in and set it up with a jab? Maybe even try close distance, close range. What's it going to look like? Is it going to be a bit shorter? Is it a snappier hook? The key to making sure that we can generate enough force through our hooks is to make sure that we're balanced, all right guys? If I'm just winging an arm punch, that's okay, but it's not gonna be able to, you won't be able to sustain that power throughout the whole round. You know, that might be good for, 30 seconds maybe, I don't know. But if you can use your whole body and you can spread that workload evenly throughout your body and link it all together, you're gonna be able to generate that power with less effort over a long period of time, because you're recruiting more muscles and you're sharing that workload through your whole body. So a good idea to start practicing your hook is start to link your shots with other shots. So link your hooks with other punches. So maybe use your jab. You can use your jab to close the distance, stepping in with your jab and throwing out that hook, or stepping in with your cross to shorten that cross up so that you can get in range to throw that hook. Or if you're at long range, just try and throw hooks from there. What do you need to do? How do you need to rotate your torso to generate that force? Okay guys? Hope you enjoyed the video guys. We've got hundreds of more videos like this one in our online course, so make sure you hit the link below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you love this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you'll get a notification every time we drop a video. Cheers guys.